In this video, you'll learn how to enable live chat in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will determine your eligibility for this feature and, if necessary, request its activation. Start by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that the app is fully loaded and you're on the main interface before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate the profile icon situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a user silhouette. Click on it to access your profile options. After clicking Profile, you will see a menu. Select all settings from this list. This will take you to a new screen where various settings are organized. On the Settings page, navigate to the Account section. Here, you will find information regarding your subscription status, which is crucial for determining your eligibility for live chat. Look for the label that reads your subscription. If it indicates Pro, you are eligible to use live chat, although it may require rollout or activation. If it shows Free, then live chat is not available for your account. If you confirm that you have a Pro subscription but do not see the live chat option, scroll down to the Support section. Here you will find the option to contact support. Click on this to initiate a support request. Once you are in the contact support interface, you will need to submit a message. Type in, "I have a Pro subscription, but I cannot see live chat. Please enable it for my account." This message clearly communicates your request. After submitting your message, you will need to wait for confirmation from Perplexity support. They will manually enable the feature for your account if you qualify. Be aware that response times may vary based on support volume. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.